First pitch fastball single for Burns last night. Here we go. Switch hitter batting left. It's on the way by Hernandez. First pitch, fly ball, deep right center field, way back in the alley. Nobody's going to get that, and it is gone.
You gotta be
Do you believe that? A first pitch home run to right center field by Billy Burns. His third homer this year. And he's batting almost 500 on the first pitch in 2015, and it's 1-0 A's.
He flew out from under his helmet as he approached second base. Probably like everybody else thought it was not going to carry out. We figured it was going to drop in play, at least in play for a triple, but it carried out, and Phoenix